We're going to want to take both of those covers off, and then we're going to take our carbon fiber strut bar off. So let me get that done, and then I'll show you what else also needs to come off. All right, so as far as your carbon fiber strut bar is concerned, you'll have 13mm bolts in the back. Sometimes you have 2, sometimes you have 3, depending on your car setup. This has 3. On my M2, I actually had 2 in the back. But go ahead and take all 3 of those out on both sides. Now, keep in mind the ones in the back are long. Here in the front, you've got 2 shorter 13mm, so you want to use the same bolts when you put them back in. Now, you'll also have a 10mm bolt here that secures the reservoir to your carbon fiber strut bar. Once all of those are out, you can just lift this rubber gasket on the side. Simply just lift up your strut bar, feed it out the other side, because you don't have to undo all that rubber gasketing on that side. You can just take it out. Go ahead and take this and set it safely aside. All right, so now that that is out, now let's talk about actually taking our OEM intakes out. Now, a couple of things. So first of all, with your MAF sensor right here, you just depress the little clip on the plug and pull it out. It's going to be the same over here on the passenger side as well. So go ahead and unplug those. Underneath this return hose off of your charge cooler, just pick it up and pull it out of those clips, and you'll see you've got a vacuum hose right here. You just press in the collar on both sides and then push it back, and then it's loose as well. Now, lastly, what you're going to want to do is undo the hose clamp here at this far end right here. Once that's loose, pretty much the entire intake is loose. Now, there's a little support little bar here in the center. You just press those little tabs and kind of walk it down and underneath, and then once that's loose, you can just walk it up and off its feet, and it's up and out of the car at that point. And then you're going to do the same to the other side. Now, let's bounce over because I want to talk about the other side a little bit, but go ahead and just take that and set it safely aside. All right, so here on the passenger side, again, you're going to want to unplug your MAF sensor and just take that cable and get it out of the way. This side is, you just want to be a little bit more careful. Now, there's this compression collar on this pipe that you want to press back to get it off of the pipe of the airbox. Now, there's a little plastic bracket that holds this pipe into place right back here in the back. So you don't want to press on this too hard. I did that once and pressed on it way too hard and broke that bracket off.